So guys, look at the coconut. Water is boiling. Look closely, you will see the oil. Can you see the oil? Oil is ready. So I'll put it down. Look at the coconut oil. Wow, very fresh, very clean. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video I want to make coconut oil. So this is my coconut milk. So I have already processed everything. This is the milk, this is coconut milk. So I will transfer them to my pot. Transfer them to my pot and then cook it. I will cook it until the water dry off. Watch this video till the end and see the outcome of the coconut oil. So I'll leave it on fire to boil and then dry before we can see our coconut oil. So guys, look at the coconut. Water is boiling. It's boiling. This is how it will boil till the water dry off. When the water dry, you will start seeing the oil. You know, you can use coconut oil to cook. You can use it on your skin. You can use it on your hair. You can add it to your lotion. Coconut oil is very good. If your hair is breaking, you can use coconut oil. If you have dry skin, you can add it to your lotion. It will moisten your skin. So guys, let me check our coconut oil. It's almost there. Let me stir it. It's still boiling. And look closely. Look closely, you will see the oil. Can you see the oil that started coming out? Let me show you guys. See this one now. See the oil. You see? Wow. Look at the oil. Let me not burn my skin. See the oil. Wow. Oil is ready. So I'll put it down. Wow. Look at the coconut oil. Wow, very fresh, very clean. Very fresh. Coconut oil is ready. Our coconut oil is ready. Coconut oil is ready. So I'll transfer it to this container. You can use coconut oil for your hair care. You can use for your skin. You can add it to your lotion. Look at, wow. If you have a dry skin, you can use coconut oil to moisturize your skin. It's very nice. So this is our coconut oil. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a sweet comment on the comment section. Bye.